Finally, the Windows app is now free to use on Windows. You won't believe this, but this app was free to download, but wasn't free to use on Windows. But it was free to use on other platforms like macOS, iOS, Android. This is a unified app for different Microsoft Cloud services like the Cloud Desktop and Remote Desktop. Just to use the Remote Desktop, you had to log in with the Microsoft account, and the personal account wouldn't work because it requires work or school account. But for some weird reason, Microsoft decided to make all the features only available after you log in with the work or school account. I wonder why there is 2.6 rating. Yeah, that's the reason. There is a highlighted comment and review on this app on Microsoft Store. They just recently updated their review saying that they added RDP support without needing to sign in. So this was an issue with Windows app. You couldn't use it for free, plus you couldn't use your personal account. You still can't use personal account if you want to log in. You still have to have a work or school account. But now, once you download this app, this screen will pop up. Here you can either sign in or you can use Remote Desktop feature without signing in. So this is actually a big update for Windows app on Windows, because on Windows, for some reason, Microsoft decided to make this not free or you had to use a work or school account. But now you don't have to sign in unless you want the Cloud Desktop access and all that. You just want the Remote Desktop. Yeah, there is a option, add a remote PC. Just click on it and add your device, just like this. And the Remote Desktop feature in this Windows app is actually better than the other Remote Desktop apps from Microsoft. And Microsoft has discontinued the standalone Remote Desktop app for Windows and other platforms. Now, you have to use the Windows app. They're basically unifying all the cloud feature and remote desktop feature into one application. That's what the Windows app is. Now the remote desktop feature in Windows app is actually better. Let me actually show you guys. You can just simply click on add and add your PC in here, just like you used to do on remote desktop. If you go to settings and then display, here you can change how many displays you want to control or mirror of the remote PC. Okay, single, or you can select a specific display if the remote desktop has multiple displays, and other options here. Redirection, there are many options like camera, speaker, and all that. Okay, you can configure all those in here. Now let me actually connect to my other PC using this, and here it is. And it's using the multiple displays. If I make the window smaller, you can actually see there are two displays. RDP is actually one of the best remote desktop service out there. For some reason, it is really fast and simple to use. Let's actually do a settings of the display, and we select single display. Let's save and connect and see what happens on single display. Yeah, it's gonna mirror only the single display. Okay, now what happens if we select the select displays option? Oh, we can select the specific display within here. And this version of RDP inside the Windows app feels faster than the old remote desktop app. I have been actually using the old remote desktop app from Microsoft that they discontinued, and I was kind of frustrated that now we don't have a dedicated modern remote desktop app, but now the Windows app works without any problem. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.